Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ritu and my channel's name is Ritu's Rainbow World. These are my few previous videos and I hope you guys have already loved it. And thank you so much for your love and support.
Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ritu and my channel's name is Quirky Styling Tips. So I have one more channel as Ritu's Rainbow World. If you are not subscribed, if you have not checked out that, so don't forget to check that out. But this is something which video will be going in the Quirky Styling Tips. So just you wanted to know how I kind of achieved this look, which is no makeup look. So please do check out the entire video and do watch till the end. So before we get into the video, do take a moment to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, comment, and if there is anything that you want me to do. And by the way, there is a recent upload that I've given, that how to get rid of your waterproof makeup in a very simple steps. You do not need micellar water, you do not need any other chemical or any other solution to get rid of it. So just if you wanted to know, do check out my recent video. And this is a kind of look that I've kind of created, which is no makeup look. So everything is nude. This is the nude color. The eye makeup is pretty nude, and I hope you will be loving this. So if you really wanted to know how I kind of got this, so watch the video till the end. And do take a moment to subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment, and do follow me on Instagram. My handle is rituparna_datta_dev. The entire handle will be in the description box. Please check that out for the entire update or any kind of notification. I've completely given it there, so you can definitely check that out. And also follow me on Facebook as Riya Sweetie Datta. So yes, without further ado, let's just quickly get into the video and let you just take you over how to create this simple look, no makeup look. Okay, the first thing will be the skin prep up, as I already mentioned. Now for that you can use primer, which I usually use Infallible, or else there is amazing option apart from primer, that is aloe vera gel or watermelon gel from Good Vibes. So these two also can be used as a primer. So today I thought of using watermelon gel because it's really hot in Hyderabad, and this is the first time I'm using this gel. There was a huge purple sale going on, so that's the reason, and these two were complimentary. So let's see how the gel is. Oh my god, this is very soothing. So I have kind of applied it, and do not forget the eyelids and also the neck part. This is really soothing gel. I hope you guys have already checked out my previous videos, and if you really like it, do take a moment to like, comment and definitely subscribe. So I have already applied this Good Vibes watermelon gel as a primer. You can use any moisturizer as well for the primer. The next thing is I would let it absorb in the skin for a little while, and then probably I'll move to the next step. So next step, as usual, will definitely be foundation. But as we all know that this is kind of no makeup but no makeup look, so you can skip the foundation and just apply the compact. So I thought of skipping the foundation, but else if you wanted to know which foundation I would prefer, this is Swiss Beauty High Coverage Waterproof Base Foundation. So this is the foundation I usually apply, but again, since it's a no makeup look, so I would be very light on the makeup and more on the minimal things we can use to achieve the makeup look. So I will straight away, you can also do BB cream or CC cream. So as of now I will be taking the Lakme's BB cream. I will take a little bit and then very lightly I will dab it. Then you can do it with the help of fingertips, but I will be using this beauty sponge by Beauty Blend, original beauty blender. You can take any of them. So I have completely blended the foundation. Apart from whatever was left, I have applied it with a little, with a very little, slight press in the upper lids of the eyes. So apart from that, if you can, you are more towards concealer, definitely go ahead. You can use concealer, but I usually do not need concealer, or probably I don't prefer concealer that much. So I will straight away move to the compact. Now the compact which I usually use is Color Bar or Maybelline. So today I will be using the Maybelline, and I am gonna set this entire thing. Okay, I am in the shade Ivory. Depend on your skin tone, you can have the shade. They comes in various shades, by the way, so you can definitely choose your shades. Do not forget your ear area and also the neck part. That is supremely important. Apart from the compact, you can definitely use loose powder or a banana powder, whatever is your wish. You can definitely go ahead and use that. So I've completely done with the compact and BB cream. So that is that, and the next thing definitely will be the eyebrows. So for that I am using this Miniso's brown eyebrow pencil. The one tip I would give is do not use black eyebrow pencil, because that looks completely artificial, and at the same time it completely looks like you have applied something. However, if you go for the brown color brows, that will be very I mean, it's easy, and at the same time it looks very natural. So let's just see how it turns out. With a very light hand, just fill in the brows. It completely gives a complete natural look. And then we will straight away move to the eye makeup, which is the main thing of this entire look, because this is a very subtle kind of eye makeup or a makeup look that you can go for the day-to-day life. And for that I will be using only two palettes. Majorly I will be using this Shivana palette. This is a pink Shivana palette. So it has all the nudes and little bit of pinks, which is again my favorite. So these are the shades. I think these are the major shades I would need to achieve this makeup. I will not do more of a bold kind of, but my previous videos were more into the bold makeups, which is purple and then the green one. But let's make it a little different this time. So let me show you all the brushes that I'm going to use. So these are the brushes. These are the major eye brushes that are required for any eye makeup. You can have a close look of it. These are the major ones. So I will start first with these two. For the base I will be definitely using this color, and I will top up with this and this color. So majorly these three colors is what I will be using. Always dust the extra thing. So this kind of gives the base. I have kind of done the pink thing, and then I will be doing the crease line. As you can see, the pink one is on the lid, and let's move to the crease area. I will be using this brush, and I will be taking sort of this brown color. Again, don't forget to brush the extra. The crease line is this line specifically. Now I will be taking this dark brown. By the way, let me tell you about this palette. It do have a fallouts, but again, all the palettes have fallouts. Depends, some has more, some has less. So this is like average kind of, but it is a good one. Let's complete the crease part. So I think you guys can see the difference. I have kind of done this. Let me give you a closer pic. So the brownish part is done and the pinkish part is done. Now I have applied nothing on my lips. This is just the normal lip gloss from Lakme. Let me show you. This is the Lakme lip gloss. Now apart from not your skin, but your lips should also be prepped up. So before I start any makeup, simple or a little heavy, it's always essential that your skin and your lips is little hydrated. So always apply lip gloss, lip balm, anything before you start your makeup, so that by the time you reach to your lips, they are already plump enough. Now we have done the upper portion. Now I will do the lower lash line. Now the lower lash line also I will be doing with this brown color. Now many people have a doubt how to do the lower lash line. Now it's pretty much simple. And then I will take a little bit of pink. And then definitely I will be taking the brown, or else you will take the brown first and the pink. So the pink is not that evident, so I will take this brown part first and then a little bit of this pink. Then I will move with the quickly with the pink. Now the inner corners I will be filling up with this brown shimmer one. So this is a light shimmery one. So that's what I've done. The next quick step will definitely be mascara, because we have done so much with the eyes that the mascara is again very essential. Now I can see this eyebrow, there is a little gap, so I'm gonna quickly fill up the gap. For the mascara, I am using this Neon Doll Eye mascara. Now it gives supreme volume, so I really like this. I will let it dry a little bit and I'll do this one. Sometimes there is a fallout, but make sure you apply it very carefully. So I have already done the mascara. Next come definitely the eyeliner. So I'm taking this TFF waterproof eyeliner. Now by the way, there is a recent upload of how to remove your waterproof makeup with simple 3 steps, and you don't need to use micellar water or any of the other waters that are readily available in the market. You don't actually have to use that, but do check out that video. It is very important that if I let you know how I achieve this look, it is very important to let you know how to get rid of this look, because makeup is something which is not very healthy for your skin, so there should be a proper procedure how to get rid of it. So don't forget to check that out. I will quickly do my kajal or liner, whatever you want. Now the upper one is done. I'll do the lower lash line. Okay, so I've done the eyeliner as well. The next quick step will be contour. Now contour is something which is very important because my face is a little heavy kind of, so I usually do not skip the contouring. So for that I'm using this measurable difference contour stick, but again you can use the contour powder, which I usually use this shade, but today I wanted to use this stick. By the way, the stick has one side contour and the other side as concealer. So anyway, if you wanted to use, you can use. Now this is highly pigmented, so we need to blend this. So I am using this sort of blending brush. The blending of the contour should always be in the upward direction. It should never be on the downward direction. Now the contour is very very creamy, so and so it blends really good. Okay, and if you want, you can definitely go for the jawline. So for the jawline, I will be using this Shivana palette, and this is the shade. So that's pretty much. So contour, everything is done, and if you want, you can definitely go for the highlighter. Now for the highlighter, in the same palette you can use this white color. So now my nose is not that sharp, so I'm gonna use the same contour and kind of blend it. And then definitely I'll go with the highlighter. Okay, so that's pretty much, and the last thing which I will be do is definitely the lip color. So for that I'm using this Maybelline Super Stay Ink Crayon. So this is the color which I will be using. This is supremely light and also the nude color. Now this is no makeup look, so only thing which is visible in the entire makeup is the kajal and the lip, maybe not. It's just like a butter. I really love it. Okay, so that's the color, and the last thing is definitely to change your earrings and to do your hair. That's pretty much. And apart from that, if you wanted to use blusher, then that is completely your choice. But since it's a no makeup look, so probably the last thing which I'm gonna do is the blusher. Now the same lip color also you can use as a blusher. Let me show how to do that. Little bit here. Blend with the same brush. Take a little more amount, like this. It looks supremely natural because I wanted to use blusher, but since it's a no makeup look, so I'm not gonna use any different blusher, but the same lip color that I'm using, I'm just gonna blend this super well as a blusher. I've done my earrings, and then simply the last step is the hair. So that's pretty much. Take a simple comb to your hair and I think you are good to go. Yep, that's pretty much. So this is my complete no makeup look. As you can see that you can, if you don't know that I'm doing this tutorial, you will easily be knowing that I have just done my kajal and the lip color. Apart from that, nothing is something which is being done that I have done any makeup look, because this is no makeup look. Let me give you a very close look of how it actually turned out.